Hello, good morning to everyone. Today, students, we are going to start our an important chapter, chapter number 4. Okay, and what is chapter? Chapter is quadratic equation. You are already familiar with the word quadratic. Okay, many times in the 9th class also, and in 8th class also, in the second chapter also of the 10th class, we have already learned what is quadratic. Again I am revising your this one. What is quadratic equation? Look at first is everyone know linear polynomial. In second chapter we have already discussed about different type of polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Third one is cubic polynomial. So no need to note down linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, because we have already noted down in chapter number 2. Again I am revising what is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, a polynomial whose degree is 1. Degree is 1. What is degree? Degree means highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. What is the power of x is here 1. So that's why it is a linear polynomial, because degree is 1. What is degree? Degree is 1. So it is also linear polynomial. It is a general form of a linear polynomial. Ax plus b. X is here variable and a and b here real numbers. What is a and b here? Real numbers. And always remember one condition: a not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 mean if a is 0, suppose if a is 0, 0 into x 0. So it is if a is coefficient of x. So what is coefficient of x here? 5. If it is 0, so 0 into x what is become 6. So 6 is not a linear polynomial, it is a constant. That's why a is not equal to 0. Next is quadratic polynomial, a polynomial whose degree is 2. So 7x square plus 8x plus 2. So it means what is degree is 2. What is degree? Highest power of variable. So variable is x. So highest power is 2. So it's a quadratic polynomial. It is also quadratic polynomial. Highest power 2. It is also quadratic polynomial and it is also quadratic polynomial. X square also a quadratic polynomial. Here is also you have to remember not equal to, a is not equal to 0, because if in place of 7 if you write 0, 0 into x square 0, so it is a linear polynomial, not a quadratic polynomial. Understand? Same as it is cubic polynomial. Degree is 3. 7x, so it is, look at 7x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 7. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Coefficient of x c, coefficient of x square b, coefficient of x cube a. B, c, d here real number. So it is cubic polynomial. And always remember dear, it is a general form of quadratic polynomial. General form ax square, some coefficient of x square plus bx plus c. A, b and c are real number. Understand? Now no need to note down point number 1, 2 and 3. Only you will note down quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Always remember dear, what is equation? What is difference between polynomial and equation? If any polynomial, it is polynomial, quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. If any polynomial you will equate to 0, equal to 0. If we will use the equal sign, then polynomial become equation. Understand? It is quadratic polynomial, but if we equate to 0, it is become quadratic equation. Only that is difference between equation and polynomial. What is difference? If we will use equal sign and equate to 0, then it is become quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Note down it. It is important. A quadratic equation in the variable x. In the variable x. Remember, we are discussing here only one variable, not ax square plus 5y square. Here is variable x and y, but we are discussing only in one variable. So what is variable? Variable is x. A quadratic equation in the variable x. A quadratic equation is the form of, what is form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If any polynomial we will equate to 0, then it is become quadratic equation. And what we will give the condition? What is a, b and c? A, b and c are real number. Yes, real number. A may be any number, maybe 5, maybe 8, maybe c is 2, maybe a is minus. What is coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square a. What is coefficient of x square? Minus 1. Understand? So ABC, and always remember, if anyone asks you, always you will write a not equal to 0, because if here coefficient of x square is 0, then it is become a linear polynomial, not a quadratic polynomial. Same as it is ax square. So example you can write, if you want to write 4x square minus 6x plus 5, and always use equal sign equal to 0. Understand? So always remember a not equal to 0, because a is 0. 0 into x square plus 6x plus 8. 0 into x square, 0 multiplied by any number, 0. So what is remain? 6x plus 8. But it is not a quadratic polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. Understand? So you will only note down this one. Quadratic equation. It is very important. If you understand this one, what if anyone asks you what is quadratic equation? General form, standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and a, b and c are real number, and a not equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. Only you have to remember this one. You can solve all the question yourself. This chapter is very easy chapter. Okay. And because we have already learned this chapter in 8 and 9 also. So please note down it. What is quadratic equation? So now we start our exercise. Exercise 4.1. So first question, check whether the following are quadratic equation. Only we have to check these equations. These are also equation, because equal sign if there is given, it is meaning it is equation. Okay. And remember, first is x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x plus 3. It is first part. Only we have to check it is quadratic equation or not. So first you have to remember what is quadratic equation. So it is general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and important is a not equal to 0, and a, b, c are real number. So therefore dear, we will convert first, we will solve this equation. And do you remember, from the 7th class I am telling you, we will use this formula in 9th class, 10th class. Now you can see we will use this formula. These are very important formula. How we will you open it? X plus 1 whole square. So it is become formula a plus b whole square. And what is formula? First number square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you have to remember all the formulas dear. Otherwise you will face problems. Okay. So now a square, first number is x. So x square plus b square. What is second number? 1. 1 square 1 plus 2 into a into b. So 2 multiply x into 1. So 2 into x equal to. Now what is meaning? If we write anything is outside the bracket, it means this number is multiply each term of inside the bracket. So 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 3, 6. Understand? We want to make quadratic equation, we want to check. So it's mean one side is 0. So we will equate. So what we will do? We will write all the terms, we will remove. So x square plus 1 plus 2x. Yes, it is 2x is positive. Another side become negative. Same as it is 6 here. 6 is here positive. Another side minus equal to 0. Now we will identify like term. X square, any x square? No. So we will write as it is. Now x square. Now always we will write the equation in the descending order. Descending order means first we will write a variable whose degree is more. It is 2. Now 1. 2x minus 2x. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. 2x minus 2x, 0. 1 minus 6 minus 5 equal to 0. And now tell me, it is quadratic equation or not? Yes? Why not? What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 2. Its degree is 2. And if any polynomial equate to 0, it is become quadratic equation. Yes? It is form of, right? It is form of, you will write, it is form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now some students are asked, sir, it is not form of this one because here is no x given, but you can write, can you write this equation? X, coefficient of x, 1x square plus, you can write in 0 into x and plus c, in place of c is minus 5. Can you write like this one? This equation can you write in this form? Yes. A mean 1, b mean 0 because 0 into x 0 and c is minus. So it is both of the same form or not? Yes. That's why you can write in this form. So therefore, so you write it is form of ax square plus bx plus c. So you write therefore you can write therefore x plus 1 whole square into 2x plus 3 is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Understand? First we will solve it, then we will check it. Understand? All the parts are same as it is. Now we will see sixth part. Now we will solve. Now x square plus 3x plus 1. It is formula a minus b whole square. Whenever come is minus in place of positive. So what we will do, write? First number same as it is. We can find this formula also from this one. First number square a square is a square. Second number is minus b. Minus and square of negative number is always also positive plus b square. Now plus 2 into first number into second number. Second number is here negative. So positive into negative, negative. That's why minus 2ab. So now we will use this formula. X square plus 3x plus 1. So first number square x square plus second number. Second is 2. So plus 4 minus 2 into a. 2 into a 2x into 2 4x. Now we want to check for quadratic equation. So we will remove all the variables on one side. So we will write x square plus 3x plus 1. X square another side negative. 4 another side negative. Minus 4 another side positive. And right hand side become 0. Now we will check. We will compare like term. X square minus x square 0. 3x plus 4x 7x. And 1 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. And now tell me, it is quadratic polynomial, it is a quadratic equation? No, because always in quadratic equation the x square should be present, because in a quadratic polynomial mean degree is 2 but his degree is here only 1. Understand? So you will write it is not form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now some students ask, sir, we can write this one also in this form? Yes, you will write, sir, 0 into x square plus 7 into x minus 3. It is also in this form. A 0, B 7x. It is also a quadratic form. No, dear, because I told you A never not equal to 0. It means coefficient of x square is never become 0, but coefficient of x square is 0. That's why you cannot write in this number. And in last line, here also you will write, therefore this equation is not the quadratic equation. So you will write yourself x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square minus 2x square is not a quadratic equation. Very simple. Only you have to check it. Note down, dear. Okay. Now, dear, we will do 7th and 8th part. Okay. Rest of part you will do yourself. 7th part we have given x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Always one thing is remember, never you can tell it is quadratic equation or not only by saying. Okay, only you will see the question and you will say, sir, it is not quadratic equation. Because first we will check, because some students say, sir, here is power is 3, so it means it is a cubic polynomial. No, first we will solve it, then we will find. So you have to remember one formula, dear. A plus B whole cube. So how will you open? First number cube plus second number cube plus 3 into first number into second number into A plus B. This formula we have already discussed in 9th class exercise 2.5. Okay, so we will open first number x, first number cube x cube plus B cube, B is 2 cube. So that's why always I told you, you have at least remember 1 to 12 cube and 1 to 30 square by heart. So 2 cube 8 plus 3 into AB. So 3A into B. So 3 into x into 2A plus B. A x plus 2. So you can write 3 into 2 6x. So it is become 6x. Okay. It is 6x equal to. Now we will multiply inside the bracket. Positive into positive, positive. So 2 as it is, x into x square, x cube. Positive into negative, negative. So we will first solve it. X cube plus 8 plus 6 into 1, 6. So x into x, x square plus 12x equal to 2x cube minus 2x. We want to convert in quadratic polynomial. So we will write, we will remove all the terms from the right hand side, because right hand side we need 0. 2x cube another side negative. It is become positive equal to 0. X cube minus 2x cube. One positive, one negative. Different sign always subtract. These are like term. So and put the sign greater number. Minus x cube. 6x square. Any x square? No. So write as it is 6x square. Plus 12x plus 2x. 14x. 14x you will write. And next is, what is constant? 8 plus 8 equal to 0. Now tell me, it is quadratic polynomial? No, because degree is 3. There is a cubic polynomial. Understand? So note down it, dear. And 8th part also you will do yourself. Understand? So what we will write? You will write, it is not form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So very important formula you have to remember, a plus b whole cube, and in the next part x minus 2 whole cube. So we will use this formula, a minus b whole cube. First number cube minus second number cube minus 3ab and a minus b. We will use this formula and we will solve the equation and we will check it whether it is quadratic equation or not. Okay. So I hope first question you have understand. Okay, it is very easy questions. Okay, now we will do next question. Note down it, dear. Now second question, first part. In second question, dear, only represent the following situation in the quadratic equation. Only in the question number 2, dear, we have to make only quadratic equation by using of this situation. Okay, we have no need to find the value, only we have to make the quadratic equation by using of this situation. So what is given, dear? The area of rectangular plot is 5 to 8 meter square. So area of rectangle is always, we know, length into breadth. So L into B equal to 5 to 8. It is given or not? But the length of the plot in meter, the length of the plot is given in meter is one more than, whose one more than? Twice its breadth. Because it is given the length is twice of breadth. If breadth is x, then length is 2x. It's very simple. So therefore find length and breadth. We have no need to find length and breadth. We will find length and breadth in next exercise. Okay, only in this exercise you will make the equation. So we know breadth, length is one more. So one more. So one more. Whose one more? One more mean 1 plus. Whose? Then twice its breadth. If breadth is x, so 2x. So it is length. Because, dear, we want to make quadratic equation, and quadratic equation we are using in only in one variable. Variable is x. That's why here we will not take two variable x and y. Only we will use of only one variable. That's why I write breadth of rectangular plot is x. Because in the question is given length comparison to breadth. Length is one more than. So we will write length is one more, 1 plus, one more than, twice, twice mean 2. Its breadth, so breadth is x, so 2. So what is length? 2x plus 1. So you can write, therefore according to question, dear, everyone know whatever given in question we will use it. What is it? It is area, and area length into breadth. Because area is always length into breadth. So length is 2x plus, 2x plus 1. It is length into breadth. Breadth is x equal to area 5 to 8 meter. Only we will write, we will use the situation and make the quadratic equation. Now we will use it. X is multiply outside the bracket. So it means 2x square plus x equal to 5 to 8, 0. We want to make quadratic equation. So we will write right hand side is 0. So it means 2x square plus x minus 5 to 8 equal to 0. And it is quadratic equation or not? Yes. A value 2, B value 1 and C value minus 528. So it is quadratic equation. So it is your answer of the first part. Because we have only make the equations, dear. Note down it. Now second part, what is given? The product of two consecutive positive. Consecutive mean, dear, continue number. Continue. Whose? Two continue positive integer. And everyone in 7th class I told you we will use in 10th class. If you know what is integer, then you can solve this question. Otherwise you will face problem. What is integer? All positive negative and including zero numbers are integer. So continue positive integer, but we have to take only positive number is 306. It means product of two number and these two number are positive integer is 306. Tell me, consecutive mean continue. It means one is 5, another is 6. One is 10, next is 9. Continue or not? 10 or 9? Otherwise you can take 9 or 10. One is 100, one is 101. So like this one, there is a infinitely possibility. So what we will do? So it means if one is 5, so next is 5 plus 1, 6. If one is 9, so another next is continue mean continue. So next number always we find, how we will find? By adding 1. So same as it is, let first integer x and second integer y. No, because we want to make quadratic equation. That's why we will use only one variable. So next is 5. Well, first is 5, next is 5 plus 1. 1 is x, so next is x plus 1. And according to question, what is given according to question? It is given product of two. Product. So first number x, second is x plus 1 equal to 306. We will solve it. X square plus x. X multiply x square. X into 1 x. So 306. So you write x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So it is your answer of the second part. Understand it? So note down it. Do yourself it is also. Next question. It is given Rohan's age. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. What is meaning? It is meaning if Rohan age is 5, so his mother age 5 plus 26. Because how much older? See, her mother. His mother is 26 older. So 5, what is Rohan age? Plus 26. But in the question is given the product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years will be 360. So first we have to find what is their ages after 3 years. And we would like to find Rohan present age. In such type of the question, what we will do dear? Whatever we will want to find, we will take let Rohan present age is x. And we know if Rohan present age is 5, so his mother age, because his mother is 26 older, so 5 plus 26. But how much Rohan present age? X. So his mother is x plus 26. Understand? But in question is given whose product of ages from 3 years now. Now mean present. So we will find after 3 years Rohan age. Today is Rohan 5 years old, and after 3 years 5 plus 3. Today is x, so after 3 years x plus 3. Same as it is after 3 years Rohan mother age. Today is x plus 26. 5 plus 26. And after 3 years plus 3 also same as it is. X plus 26 plus 3. How much? X plus 29. So it is both ages, his mother and Rohan age after 3 years. Now what is given? Product whose of their ages after 3 years. So after 3 years product of their ages. X plus 3. Product of x plus 29 equal to 360. You will solve yourself. You will multiply binomial into binomial. Taking first term, multiply by both. Taking second term, multiply by both, and we will convert in quadratic polynomial. Try to yourself, please note down it and solve yourself. Now last part of the first exercise. A train travels a distance of 480 km. You want to travel 480 km distance at a uniform speed. Uniform speed means the speed is not decreasing or increasing. If the speed had been 8 km less, and everyone knows speed is less, time we will take more. If the speed is 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It is given in condition. We don't know what is your speed, but if your speed is 8 kilometer is less, then you will take how much time is more? 3 hours. Then we need to find the speed of train. So whatever we want to find, let speed of train x kilometer. And how much distance you have to travel? 480. So we know speed also and distance given. So we can find time or not. Time is always distance divided by speed. So time taken to travel 480 kilometer. So distance 480 and speed is x. So it is time. It is time or not? It is time in the normal situation when speed is x. But in condition is given if the speed is 8 kilometer less. So now speed of the train in second condition. How much less? 8 kilometer less. In starting is x. So less mean minus. So x minus 8. But in the question is given whenever your speed is 8 kilometer is less, then you will take how much time is more? 3 hours. So time taken to travel 480 kilometer by speed x minus 8. How much time? Time is 3 hours more. In starting, how much time is you taking? 480 divided by x. But how much time you are taking more? 3 more. So plus 3. Understand or not? Because in second condition is given if speed is x minus 8. So time taken to travel 480 kilometer by speed x minus 8. Time is 3 hours more. So what is time? 480 by x in plus 3. Now according to question, everyone know distance equal to time into speed equal to distance. We know how much total distance? D 480 and time how much? Time is it is time 480 divided by x plus it is time or not? Time taken to travel. So 480 by x plus 3 and what is speed? Speed is x minus the speed into time equal to distance. Understand or not? So now you can solve this equation. So now how we will solve it? So look at here x minus 8 and it is fraction, and fraction how can you solve? By taking LCM. So 480 plus 3x equal to 480. And what is meaning of x? X is dividing 480 also and 3x also. You cannot cut x cancel x, not dear. We cannot cut because x is dividing both. Understand? So now, and you know it is multiply and it is here dividing. Another side become multiply, divide, right? X minus 8 into 480 plus 3x and it is denominator become numerator 480 into x. So you will solve it. X into 480 minus x. Taking first term and multiply both. X into 3x square. Negative into positive, negative. 8 into 0, 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 4, 32 and 38. Negative into negative, negative into positive, 3x and equal to 480x. So now we will write 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 3. It is another side negative. 480x equal to 0. 480x both are cancel. So what is remain? It is remain 3x square. Now minus 3x minus 3840 equal to 0. It is your answer of the fourth part. Only we have to make an equation. So always remember dear, we have to remember general form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and where a not equal to 0. It is general form of quadratic equation. So you have to remember. Tomorrow we will start our next exercise. So please note down it. If any problem, ask to me. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a good day.